The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Fried Hokkien Mee is a stir-fried noodle dish whose name translates simply as noodles, fried Fujian style. Though it shares its name with several regional cousins across Malaysia and Singapore, the version in Malaysian home cooking is the classic Penang-style braised preparation. Thick yellow noodles, wok-fried with pork, prawns, squid and cabbage in a dark soy-based gravy that the noodles drink up until every strand is glossy and deeply savory. A good shake of white pepper and a side of sambal belacan round out the plate. The dish traces its lineage to the Hokkien Chinese diaspora who settled along the Straits of Malacca. According to TasteAtlas, https, TasteAtlas. Hokkien Mee Malaysian Hokkien Mee, is characterized by egg-based wheat noodles braised with sliced pork, prawns, and cabbage, all generously coated in a thick, dark soy-and-prawn-stock sauce. In Penang, the dish is often called Hokkien Char and is typically served at the same hawker stalls that offer char hor fun and ifu noodles, always with a dollop of sambal belacan on the side for those who want a fiery kick. B. Yin Lo of Rasa Malaysia, https, Srasa Malaysia. Hokkien Char, herself a Penang native, confirms that the Penang version uses a combination of yellow noodles and vermicelli cooked in a lighter, flavorful soy-based sauce, while the Kuala Lumpur version is darker and heartier, relying on pork lard for its signature richness. The recipe below follows Lee Suk Ching's home-style approach: a single wok, a gravy built from stock and soy, and enough simmering time for the noodles to absorb every drop of flavor. Main ingredients: thick yellow noodles, 500 g, as desired. Pork, 100 g, sliced, as desired. Prawns, 150 g, medium-sized, as desired. Squid, 3, medium-sized, as desired. Vegetables: flowering cabbage, noodle, 4 stalks plucked to 4 cm lengths, as desired. Cabbage, 500, 600 g, cut into 3 cm wide pieces, as desired. For the gravy mixture: dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, as desired. Light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, as desired. Sugar, 1/2 teaspoon, as desired. Salt, 1/2 teaspoon, as desired. Stock, 2 cups, as desired. For stir-frying, cooking oil, 5 tablespoons, as desired. Garlic, 6 cloves, chopped, as desired. To finish, white pepper, a good shake, as desired. To serve, pio sambal belacan, to taste, as desired. Fresh sliced chilies and light soy sauce to taste, as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. 1. Prepare the proteins. Slice the pork thinly against the grain so it cooks quickly and stays tender. Shell and devein the prawns, leaving them whole or having them if large. If using squid, clean each one thoroughly, pull out the transparent quill, remove the ink sac and peel off the membrane, then cut the body into 1 cm thick rings or slices. 2. Prepare the vegetables. Put the flowering cabbage into 4 cm lengths, separating the tender stems from the leafy tops. Wash and cut the cabbage into roughly 3 cm wide pieces so they cook evenly and mix easily with the noodles. 3. Mix the gravy. In a small bowl, combine the dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, sugar, and salt. Stir them into the 2 cups of stock until the sugar and salt are fully dissolved. This gravy mixture is the heart of the dish. It is what gives the noodles their signature dark, glossy coat and savory depth. 4. Prepare the garlic. Chop the 6 cloves of garlic finely. This generous amount of garlic is fried first in the wok to build the aromatic base that perfumes the entire dish. Cooking steps. 1. Brown the garlic. Heat 5 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large wok or deep pan over medium-high heat. When the oil is hot but not smoking, add the chopped garlic and fry until it turns golden and fragrant, about 30 seconds. Watch carefully, as garlic burns quickly and turns bitter. 2. Fry the pork. Add the sliced pork to the wok and fry for about 1 minute, stirring constantly until the meat changes color and is lightly browned on the surface. 3. Add prawns and squid. Add the prawns and squid and fry for another minute. The prawns should just begin to turn pink, and the squid should start to curl and turn opaque. Do not overcook at this stage, they will continue cooking in the gravy. 4. Pour in the gravy mixture. Add the prepared gravy mixture, stock, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, sugar, and salt to the wok and bring it to a boil. The dark liquid should bubble up and begin to reduce slightly, releasing a rich, savory aroma. 5. Add noodles and vegetables. When the gravy is boiling, add the thick yellow noodles and both vegetables, the flowering cabbage and the cabbage. Cover the pan and let everything steam together for 3-4 minutes so the noodles soften and begin to absorb the gravy. 6. Braise until gravy is absorbed. Remove the lid and mix well, gently turning the noodles over with a spatula or tongs so every strand is coated. Keep turning the noodles for another 2-3 minutes until most of the gravy has been absorbed and the noodles are dark, glossy, and tender. Season to taste with additional salt if needed, and finish with a good shake of white pepper. 7. Serve. Dish out immediately onto plates or into bowls. Serve with sambal belacan on the side, or fresh sliced chilies in light soy sauce for those who prefer a lighter heat.